Candles are everywhere, and so are crayons. Ever since we were kids, we've been playing and drawing and creating works of art with crayon. And recently, you'll find it all over social media. People are starting to turn crayons into candles. Now, that's a very interesting, creative way of using crayons. But is it a good thing to turn these colorful waxes that's meant to do arts and craft into a burning candle? Now let's take a look at what happens. It looks like a really exciting, creative, cheap way of turning crayons into candles. In this video, we will look at how possible it is to make this happen. How does it burn? What happens when you burn crayons? And how safe is it for you? All over social media, people are turning crayons into candles. They cut them up into chunks, crush them, or melt the whole thing down and pour into a vase like this or a jar like this, put a wick in and turn it into candles. Some social media posts are also lighting up candles on its own on the stick and using the paper around the crayon to turn it into a fire. What makes a crayon? Crayons are often pigmented waxes, usually paraffin wax, which is a petroleum derivative, and mixed with other ingredients such as starches, hardeners, other additives. Unlike crayons, candle formulations usually use approved waxes, wicks that burn well and is safe, additives such as fragrances and colorings that are candle safe and fire safe. Crayons that use paraffin wax, it's often a petroleum byproduct. And burned, it can release volatile compounds into the air, and these are the compounds that you breathe in. The bright colors and awesome pigments found in crayons are usually not safe for burning. These may then release additional chemicals into the air and have fumes that are not safe and healthy for you. Exposure to these fumes, especially in an enclosed area when you light up the crayon candle, may cause irritation, may cause problems with breathing, as well as toxic air into your lungs. This could create problems if you have asthma or throat infection or lung problems, so don't do it. The additives in the crayons can also cause the wick to burn with a lot of soot, creating a lot of carbon deposits and toxic fumes in the air as you breathe in. You can't just take the wrapper off the crayon and turn it into a burning wick, because there is a lot of technology that is used into making a proper wick that is safe, stable, and burns well, evenly, without any weird things happening to it. When you burn wrappers, the fine particles of the print or the quality of the wrappers, including the plastic layer or a metal layer within the paper, can cause issues to the fire and to you when you start breathing in all these fumes by using a wick that is not proper. You'll be inhaling a lot of soot, additives, things that you shouldn't be inhaling into your lungs, and exposing it to your family members as well. If you're thinking of using your crayons as a coloring for your candle, think twice. It's got additives in it, hardeners, lots of other ingredients that you may not want to burn or put it near a fire. So use proper, safe, candle-approved dyes, which can come in powder, liquid, or wax chips form, and those burn well. Then you create a candle that burns evenly and is safe. Use proper plant waxes like beeswax, palm wax, soy wax. These have been used for generations to make really good quality candles, and it's safe to be used in a closed environment, safe for your lungs, safe to breathe in, and safe in the way that the fire is steady and it burns well. Of course, when using a candle, always ensure that you have proper ventilation. On a surface where there's nothing that can catch fire, use a proper container, like a glass container or a clay container that is safe and won't crack or burst when you light the candle. Always trim the wick so that the candle and the fire burns steadily and evenly. And of course, don't use any ingredients that are not certified safe for candle making. As you can see, crayon candles are really cute and beautiful, but are they safe? No, they're not. It is best to stick to the traditional ingredients so that you can burn a candle at ease without worrying about it. If you enjoy DIY crafts, you love colors, you like getting creative, do it safely. Use the right materials, understand what you are using and what you are burning, and you'll make a beautiful candle that is safe. Before lighting anything, ask yourself, is this safe? If you feel that it's not, don't light it up. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you see, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment below of any myth that you saw that you want us to debunk, or something that you see that might not be unsafe that you want us to highlight. See you in the next one.